Smart plugs are an accessible entry point to home automation, offering control, scheduling, and monitoring of plugged-in devices. Whether it's a lamp, coffee maker, or fan, smart plugs turn ordinary appliances into smart ones. In this guide, we'll uncover the various usage scenarios, typical problems solved, potential problems created, and popular products in the exciting world of smart plugs. Usage scenarios. Remote control. Turn devices on or off from anywhere using a smartphone. Scheduled operations. Set timers for devices, like starting the coffee maker in the morning. Energy monitoring. Keep track of energy consumption for individual appliances. Voice control integration. Use with smart speakers for voice-controlled operation. Smart home scenes. Create custom scenarios linking multiple smart devices for simultaneous control. Typical problems solved. Wasted energy. Automatically turn off devices when not in use to save energy. Limited control. Control traditional devices remotely and through scheduling. Simplifying daily routines. Automate everyday tasks like brewing coffee or turning off lights at bedtime. Integrating non-smart devices. Transform standard appliances into smart ones without replacing them. Potential problems created. Wi-Fi dependency. Require a stable internet connection for remote control and automation. Compatibility issues. Not all plugs fit every outlet or work with all devices, so check specifications. Security concerns. Ensure proper security settings to avoid unauthorized access. Overloading. Be mindful of the power rating to avoid overloading and potential safety hazards. Popular products. TP-Link Casa Smart Plug, known for its reliability and ease of use, with energy monitoring in some models. Wemo Mini Smart Plug, compact design and broad compatibility make it a popular choice. Amazon Smart Plug, integrates seamlessly with Alexa for voice control. GoSund Smart Plug, a budget-friendly option with essential features and simple setup. Smart plugs are an essential building block in the world of home automation. They offer a level of control and efficiency that simplifies daily routines, saves energy, and breathes new life into ordinary appliances. While some challenges exist, understanding these can lead to a satisfying experience. Investing in smart plugs isn't just about remote control, it's about empowering your home with intelligent design, one plug at a time.